Hello children, today we are going to do fourth chapter, that is story of Amrita. This story is about a girl who lived in the village Khejadli, which is near Jodhpur in Rajasthan. Children, this village is known as Khejadli because of the Khejadi trees which are found there. The people of this village, they took great care of plants, trees and animals. And the animals like goats, deers, hares and peacocks, they roamed there fearlessly. That means they were not afraid of anything. And the people, they remembered the thing which was told to them by their elders. They used to say, अगर पेड़ हैं तो हम हैं. Now what does it mean? It means कि हम पेड़ों के साथ ही हैं. We cannot survive without trees and plants as well, but they can survive without us. Now this girl, Amrita, she was very friendly with trees. Now what she used to do in her childhood, she used to take a special tree for a day. She would put her arms early in the morning around the tree trunk and she will whisper to the tree that, friend, you are strong and beautiful. You care for us. Thank you, tree. I love you very much. Give your strength to me also. That means she was very thankful to trees. वो ट्रीज़ को अपने फ्रेंड्स समझ के उनके साथ बिहेव करती थी, बातें करती थी उनसे, उनका ध्यान रखती थी और वो बहुत धन्यवाद देती थी ट्रीज़ का कि वो उनके लिए बहुत कुछ करते हैं. So in this way, Amrita grew up along with the Khejadi trees. Now children, Amrita grew up, she was married and she had daughters as well. But daily she will go to the trees and she will talk to them. So one day when she went to the tree, she found that some people with axes, they were coming near the trees. So she talked to them. She asked them that where are you going? They told that we are going to cut these trees as the wood is needed for building the king's palace. Amrita was very shocked. So she went to the tree and she hugged the tree tightly. Those men, they started shouting at her, they threatened her, but Amrita did not let go of the tree. Now the king's men, they had to follow the king's orders. They had to cut the trees. So when Amrita's daughters and other villagers, they saw that the people, they are not letting Amrita save the trees, they also hugged the trees. And to protect these trees, Amrita, her daughters and other people also, they had to die in order to save these trees. So children, these people, they died for these trees. When the king heard of this, he could not believe that people of this village, they gave life for trees. So the king himself came to the village and there he learned about the villagers' respect for the trees. किंग को तब पता चला कि इस गांव में लोग किस तरह से ट्रीज की रेस्पेक्ट करते हैं, हाउ मच दे केयर फॉर द trees. So that day, king said that now onwards no tree will be cut from this village, and this village is very green amidst of the desert of Rajasthan. And now these days, after 300 years, the people of this area called Bishnois continue to take care of. So children, Amrita, her daughters and other people, they died for trees. It shows their love and care for trees. So till now, as I told you, Bishnois, they take care of the trees and animals of their area. So their area near Jodhpur is very beautiful. If you visit this place, you will find it extremely beautiful with green Khejadi trees there. So that's all about the chapter. I hope you go through the chapter and understand it again. Thank you.